What is up, guys? I'm back with another video.
I gotta protect my heart. I gotta protect my heart. Quick CRB check to pre-up your history. Hope my boys ain't been there in the park.
I know. You guys peep the new intro. I know. I change my intro like every 5 seconds.
Shut up. If you wonder why my hair's like this, because this video is going to be a hair tutorial. I haven't done a hair tutorial in like 2 months, and that was like when I first started. Anyway, I know there's a lot of boys especially out there that have long hair. I mean, this doesn't really apply to girls, but if you don't know what you're doing, take my advice. Well, you should know, because you're... Anyway, so this goes out to boys mainly with long hair, and I noticed that, you know, they mainly go to hairdressers, or like mainly like boys with long hair, like when they're sleeping or whatever, they don't know what to do and their hair gets knotty, and then when they comb it, you know, but you know, my hair's nice and soft, it just slides right through. And anyway, yeah, so I know there's boys out there that, you know, when they come out on the road, they don't really know what to do with their hair, and sometimes their hair's picky and all of that. So this video is just, hopefully, it can help prevent that for you guys. First of all, your hair can be like this, but I'm just going to warn you, you will get a lot of head lice by going on the road like this. And I would really advise you, the longer your hair is, please at least try and do something with it rather than just going with your hair out. Because one, when you're ready to like actually do it for something like an event special, and you're trying to comb it and it feels painful, that's the reason why, because you've had it out for too long. And two, you can get head lice easily, and especially because your hair's long, it's easy to catch head lice. So I'd advise you to, you know, follow these steps. So for this part, we are going to split my hair into 4. So first thing you want to do is like make a middle parting. I know my parting is not the best, really not the best, but you just need to work with it for now. So once you finish doing that throughout the whole of your head, you want to kind of section your hair. So on the left side or right side, whichever side you want to do first, section it, and then grab the front and get a hairband. I'd advise you to get the elastic type one, not like the proper hairband, but it's up to you. But yeah, you just want to wrap it around like twice or once, but I just don't put it on your head. But you want to repeat that process the whole time, and once you get to the last one, you do the same thing as you did with the other 3, and you just wrap it around twice, and yeah, there's your finished product or finished result or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's not the best, but it's something you can work with, if that makes sense. But if you feel like you can't do that and you just want something a bit more simple, then just grab 2 elastic bands. Like I said, if you're using a normal hairband, you won't need 2 elastic bands. But let me say this, if your hair's short and mine is kind of short, I wouldn't advise you to do this. I'd advise you to put your hair into 4 like I just did previously. But if your hair's longer, you can do this way as well. But I don't really do this way, but this is a way that you could use. So same process, just wrap it around your head 2 times, but you may want to hold it tighter. It may not all catch together like mine did, so this is why I don't really do it like this. But yeah, just make sure. But you see, I don't want to do that. So this is the hairstyle I do. Well, this is the way I do it. I just get 2 elastic bands again. Try, if your hair is smaller, this would be easier, but if you have longer hair, I wouldn't advise you do this. But pull it all over your head, and you know, just try work your way up. You want to push it up, like not too far for it to come out, but however you want to adjust it to make it look big or whatever, that's up to you. But you may just want to keep it simple for now, if that makes sense. So this is the way I do it, just to, you know, keep things simple. Takes you less than 2 minutes, honestly. It's not really that bad. But yeah, this may be the easiest, but like I said, up to you which way you want to do it. But I think this is the easiest way. And if you want to go to sleep like this and you're worrying, just get a bandana, not a do-rag. Get a bandana, wrap it around your head like so, tie it at the back, like this, knot it up, not too tight so you won't be able to pull it off, but just like that. And then if it's hanging over your head, just roll up the front like so. Then you wake up, only the bun will be puffing out, and yeah. So that was my hair tutorial video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more in the next one sooner than possible, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you want another one, we're gonna have to get that to 20 likes at least. 20. I made that easy for you. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe my videos, share my videos especially. Comment down below on what videos you want, reaction videos, any type of video, just say. Don't be scared to just tell me anything, man, honestly. Like, especially if you want a reaction, just tell me. Don't be scared. Thank you for watching and stay safe.